Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medium for affiliate marketing. Medium offers a fantastic opportunity to connect with millions of readers who are actively seeking information and solutions. We'll explore an easy method that emphasizes providing genuine value, allowing you to seamlessly integrate affiliate products into your content. This approach helps build trust with your audience, which is crucial for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Get ready to discover how to turn your writing into a powerful income stream. First, let's talk about setting up your Medium presence effectively. Your profile is your digital storefront, so make it compelling and professional. Next, concentrate on writing articles that genuinely help your readers. Think about their problems and offer well-researched solutions or unique perspectives. By consistently delivering valuable content within a specific niche, you'll attract an audience that is highly interested in what you have to say, making them more receptive to your recommendations. Now, let's discuss integrating your affiliate links without sounding salesy. The key is relevance. Choose products that genuinely complement your article's topic and provide real value to your audience. Weave your links into the narrative naturally, perhaps as a recommended tool or resource. Transparency is also vital. Clearly state that you may earn a commission if readers purchase through your links. This builds trust and maintains your credibility with your audience. Finally, let's explore how to drive traffic and maximize your earnings. Don't just publish and forget. Actively promote your articles on platforms like X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Engage with other writers and readers on Medium by leaving thoughtful comments and clapping for articles you enjoy. This increases your visibility. Regularly review your article statistics to understand what resonates most with your audience, allowing you to optimize your future content for even greater success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.